What a nice group of Democrats.
President Trump last night extending a rare olive branch to Democrats as he teases a yet-to-be-announced health care plan.
I really believe we can work on health care together and come up with something that's going to be much better, much less expensive for the people.
It comes after dueling health care bills failed to pass the Senate. Only 4 Republicans joined with Democrats on a bill to extend Obamacare subsidies, which expire at the end of the month, and a Republican bill that would replace the subsidies with direct payments into personal health savings accounts also fell well short of the 60 votes needed.
Democrats' so-called plan is a 3-year extension of the status quo. No reforms, no revisions, no rethinking of the way that Obamacare works.
After this, we'll not have time to try again before premiums shoot through the roof.
With Congress at an impasse, many are looking to the White House for a path forward.
You'll hear more from the president and from the White House on that very soon.
More than 20 million Americans are anxiously waiting. Some, like Stacey Cox, are now coming to terms with the prospect of their health care premiums quadrupling.
If those credits aren't extended, we don't have health insurance. We can't afford it.
Many Republicans are anxious to get something done with midterm elections next year threatening their majority in Congress. Adding to that pressure, a major political setback for President Trump and his congressional redistricting push. Lawmakers in deep red Indiana rebuking pressure from the president, rejecting a redrawn congressional map that would have likely netted Republicans 2 congressional seats next year. Some lawmakers saying they received anonymous threats before the vote.
After considering all the arguments offered in support of mid-cycle gerrymandering, I see no justification that outweighs the harms it would inflict upon the people's faith in the integrity of our elections.
A conservative think tank claiming Trump threatened to strip federal funding from Indiana, saying roads will not be paved, guard bases will close, major projects will stop. White House officials tell Politico Trump never made such threats, but the president last night saying this about the Republican leader of the Indiana Senate.
You had one gentleman, the head of the Senate, I guess, Bray, whatever his name is. I heard he was against it. He'll probably lose his next primary, whenever that is. I hope he does, but because he's done a tremendous disservice.
And the economy is the big issue for voters, and a new poll shows only 31% of Americans approve of how Trump is handling the economy, a record low for him.